Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Jesmin's Lifestyle. I hope everyone is well today. I would like to start this video by saying a huge thank you to the YouTube community. যারা আপনারা সব support করছেন এই last 2-3 weeks মাঝে আমরা তোরা সমস্যা আসলাম ও ভিডিও দিতে পারছি না ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা রেগুলারলি ভিডিও দিমু আপনারা দেখিও সাবস্ক্রাইব করিও লাইক করিও শেয়ার করিও So every morning Jesmin ঘুম থেকে উঠিয়া তাই একটা morning drink খায় এগুলো বানাইতে she uses cold water and separately mix some water with chia seeds or flax seeds, whichever one you have. Jesmin likes to soak them overnight, which helps to give it a better texture and flavor. And to this she adds honey, lime juice, a pinch of salt, apple cider vinegar with mother, and chia seed. If you want to know the amount she uses, comment below and we can show you in the next video. If you don't have chia seed, she also uses flaxseed as well. So sometimes she mixes up. Some days she'll use chia seeds, some days she'll use flax seeds. Just depends what your preference is. So this drink she normally drinks as soon as she wakes up, and then she'll wait about 30 minutes before drinking black coffee. With the black coffee, she normally has no sugar and a hint of organic coconut oil. So once you've added the chia seeds or flax seeds, give it a good stir. You may get some lumps, that's normal, that's not a problem, you could just take them out. But once you've given it a good stir, let it rest for a second before drinking it. If you add honey at the end, it makes it taste even better. Ita amra foilar daily vlog videos. Amra khub nervous aslam record korba lagi. Apnara kichu different dekhta science din. Please comment koryo ar janayo kita bal lagche kita na bal lagche amra improve kortam chai inshallah. As this drink has apple cider vinegar, we would recommend using a straw as this will help stop the drink from staining your teeth. We try and have different things for breakfast each day. It makes breakfast more interesting and also it just stops our normal routine. So today we decided to have some different fruits, some almonds and also some pastries. One of my favorite pastries is blueberry muffins, and Jesmin likes these maple and pecan plats. Our children prefer the Belgian waffles and croissants instead of these. I'm not try kori every day আমরা একলগে breakfast খাইবা লাগি ভাল লাগে একলগে খাইতে. Jesmin also prepares cucumber and lemon water which we keep in the fridge overnight, which makes it nice and cool. We try and spend the weekends together as much as possible, mainly because my work makes it hard for us to spend time together during the week. আমরা ফলা থেকে প্ল্যান করছিলাম আমরা ডেইলি ব্লগার দেখাইতাম ইউটিউবে কিন্তু আমরা ছোট বাচ্চা লাগে খুব হার্ড আছেন. However, because of the YouTube community and the confidence that people have given us, আমরা খুব রিকোয়েস্ট পাইছি ইউটিউবের মাধ্যমে আমরা ডেইলি ব্লগ korba lagi. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for supporting us throughout. Jesmin's biggest supporters has been Nipa Afa, and please go check out her channels. She has two amazing channels. One is Taste Life with Nipa, which has great vlogs on there, and also London in Nipa, which is great comedy. I would definitely recommend to check them out, subscribe her, and also like and share her videos. As a family, we all drink this detox water, which is made from cucumbers, lime or lemon, chia seeds, mint leaves, and ginger. It's very refreshing and is also very good for your body. As we eat breakfast, we normally try and plan what we want to do for the day. It also helps set the mood as well. Jesmin জানে আমি তোরা nervous আছি ও তাই আমারে খাওয়াইতেছে আর খানি. I'd like to give a shout out to two more people now. One is Hannah, which has a channel called Hannah's Family's Vlog, which is a great channel. Please check out her channel, subscribe, like and share. Another person is Nusrat Afa. Nusrat Cooking and Vlogs UK is her channel. Again, please subscribe, share and like. They have been really supportive of Jesmin throughout the last few weeks. There'll be a few more shout outs throughout this video, and I would recommend please to go check their channels out if you can, inshallah. Today, Jesmin is cooking one of my favorite dishes that I love, which is Sardine Borta. You want to make sure you clean the sardines properly in cold water, take out any bones and scales that you might find. To the sardines, she's added some curry powder, some chili powder, and a pinch of salt, and then she gives you a good mix. You want to make sure the oil is nice and hot before you add the sardine mix. Anytime you cook with fish, you need to make sure it's cleaned properly. This would get rid of the smell of fish. If you watch our previous video that we made on tuna balls, you can see that Jesmin always makes sure that the fish is thoroughly cleaned. We want the sardines to be really crispy, so don't stir it straight away. Leave it for a minute and then give it a gentle stir and mix. One of Jesmin's biggest complaints about me is that I don't like fish. আমার ভাল লাগে না, মেন ডর লাগে খাটা লাগবো ও আমি বেশি মাছ খাই না, সো তাই ওটা বেশিরভাগ বানাই আমার লাগে. Jesmin loves to make food that everyone would like to eat, so she rarely makes fish curries now, mainly because she doesn't want to eat on her own. So this is one of the things that she wants me to get more used to, is eating fish, and inshallah I will try to do that to make her happy. So whilst the sardines are frying, chop up some chilies, coriander and onion. আপনারা কমেন্ট করবার আগে আমি আপনারা কই দে এই পেঁয়াজ জেসমিনে চলাইছে, আমি এলা কোনো সময় পেঁয়াজ চলাই না, তাই ইউজ টু নাই পেঁয়াজ চলানি, বেশিরভাগ আমি পেঁয়াজ চলাইয়া দেয়, সো লাগি পেঁয়াজের ইগুলো অবস্থাওয়ালা. So after a few minutes, you will see that the sardines are now fully cooked. The outside is nice and crispy, but the inside will be nice and soft. You just put it to the side for a while whilst we prepare the rest of the dish. Sardine just like this is also very nice. So even if you don't like the onions, coriander, you can also just have it like this. Add a bit more oil to the pan, and what we are going to do is fry off some red chilies. These are dried chilies which give you a nice flavor and texture. Just add a bit of salt to it and then just give it a stir within the pan. If we have any leftover onions, we use this onion saver, which helps stop the fridge from smelling of onions. Whenever we cook dried chilies, we always make a bit extra, which we store in food bags, and makes it easier next time. We like to add some broccoli to our borta. It just helps give it a nice color and different textures as well. So once you've cut them into small pieces, you want to put it in the microwave for about a minute or so, just to make it warm. You want the broccoli to be only half cooked, so first do 1 minute and see how it goes. Every microwave is different. If it needs to be done for another few more seconds, then do so. Using the microwave just helps soften the broccoli to this texture you can see here. So we are now ready to plate up. So if you have everything close together, it would help when it comes to mixing the borta together. Another person that we would like to say a huge thank you to for the support she has provided is Farhana Apu. She has a channel called AA Fun House where she does vlogs from New York. Again, please check her out, subscribe, like and share her videos. I mentioned Nipafa earlier. She has been like a big sister to Jesmin in terms of YouTube. She's a really nice person and her channel has lots of great content on there, from great cooking to great vlogs. Please do check out her channel and subscribe and share and like her videos. Another person who has helped Jesmin a lot has been Sajja Apu. Her channel is called Arisha's Family Vlog. Please check it out, subscribe, share and like it. There's lots of great content on there and some amazing vlogs. Please আপনারা এই borta try করুকা। যারা মাছ বালা পায় না তারা ওটা খুব মজা লাগে। এটা ডিফারেন্ট আছে আর আপনারা ট্রাই করলে ডেফিনেটলি ইনশাআল্লাহ বালা পাইবে। You can use either fresh or frozen broccoli, কিন্তু মেইন জিনিস হইতো ব্রকলি হাফ কুক হইতো। ও দেখা জেসমিনে দেখার মিক্স করবার সময় সামান্য এবার শক্ত রয়েছে, ও ক্রঞ্চে একটা ফ্লেভার অ্যাড করে। জেসমিন দুই স্টাইল ভর্তা করছে, একটা ব্রকলি দি আর একটা এমনি সার্ডিন দি। যেগুলো সার্ডিন দিয়ে এমনি করা হয়েছে আপনারা দেখতে পারেন এক্সট্রা লাইম জুস দেওয়ার সার্ডিনের ফ্লেভার বাড়াইবা লাগে। If you don't like sardines, you can also use this similar recipe for other types of borta as well. For example, with different vegetables, aloo borta, you could do broccoli on its own as well. They will all taste amazing if you follow this recipe. Thank you to everyone for watching our first daily life blog. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not, and share with everyone you know. আমরা কত রিকোয়েস্ট পাইছি আমরা ওলা ডেইলি ভ্লগ দিবা লাগি, সো ইনশাল্লাহ আমরা যতক্ষণ পারি করবো। আপনারা যেটা বালা পাইছো যেটা দেখতে চাও আপনারা প্লিজ কমেন্টও লিখে দিও, আর ইনশাল্লাহ আমরা করবো। তো ভালো থাকিও, সুস্থ থাকিও, আল্লাহ হাফিজ।